Hello everyone! Are you preparing for IELTS but struggling with grammar mistakes? Don't worry. In next 10 minutes, I'm going to share 6 common grammar fixes that are going to boost your IELTS writing as well as speaking scores. These are common mistakes that test takers make, but today you will learn how to fix them quickly. So stay till the end and let's improve your grammar together. Let's start with one of the most common IELTS grammar mistakes, that is subject-verb agreement. Your subject must always match the verb in number. Let's see some examples. The bar graph shows different modes of travel, but the given charts show different modes of travel. In case of a singular subject, you will use a singular verb that has an S or an ES. And in case of a plural subject, you will use a verb that doesn't have any S or ES. Let's see another example. Some people have objected to this policy, but a person has objected to this policy. In case of singular subject, you will use has, but in case of plural subject, you will use have. Another example, education and experience play a crucial role in career success. So here we have two subjects, education and experience. So we are going to use a plural verb that doesn't have any S or ES. With each, everyone and someone, you will use a singular verb. For example, everyone is responsible for submitting assignment on time. Each student plays a role in the project. You cannot say everyone are responsible or each student play. So that would be wrong. Now try to correct this sentence for me. My friend and I is going to the party. Drop your answers in the comment section and let's move on to the second fix that is related to tenses. Many IELTS students mix up tenses in writing and speaking. For example, yesterday I go to the market. No, yesterday I went to the market. One way to fix this type of mistake is to decide the time frame and move accordingly. For general truths and habits, we use present tense. I enjoy reading books. I go to the gym twice a week. So here, we use first form of the verb. For past experiences, we use second form. Last year, I helped my friend with IELTS exam prep. And for plans and predictions, you will be using future tense. Next year, I will travel to Canada. Now avoid tense shifts such as last year, I helped my friend because he was struggling. The correct sentence is last year, I helped my friend because he was struggling. Now here's a challenge for you. Try to fix this sentence and post in the comments. Last year, I traveled to Canada for studies. Now let's move on to another grammar mistake, that is run-on sentences. Run-on sentences? Yes, the sentences which are connected together without any punctuation or connectors. For example, I love studying English. It is very useful. This is a run-on sentence because you have not used any punctuation or pause or connector in between. So the correct sentence would be, I love studying English because it is very useful. Now a quick fix tip for such sentences. Use words like because, although, however, and therefore in order to connect your ideas smoothly. Now your turn. I want to move abroad, I have to clear IELTS. Let's see how you fix this sentence. Another common mistake, prepositions. These are small words that are very important as they can change the meaning of your sentence. Let's see some common errors. I'm interested on learning English. No, I'm interested in learning English. She's married with a doctor. She's married to a doctor. Now, what would be the quick fix tip here? Some words always go with specific prepositions. You should follow such rules. Let's see some examples. Good at, not good in. Afraid of, not afraid from. Now fix this sentence. I'm afraid from learning English. Drop your answers in the comment section. Another mistake is using articles like a, an, or the incorrectly. Let's see a quick fix guide. A and an. These are used for something new, when you mention something for the first time. There was a bird on the tree. And we use the when something is known or specific. The bird flew away after seeing me. Let's correct this. I saw the apple on the table. No, you're mentioning this for the first time. I saw an apple on the table. You will use a with all the consonant sounds and an with the vowel sounds. Now a quick fix tip. Ask yourself, are you referring to something for the first time? If yes, then use a or an. If not, then use the. Now fix this sentence. She adopted a dog. A dog is very friendly. And last but not the least, using conditional sentences in your writing and speaking. This is very important because they can help you to score band 7+ in both these modules. For that, you should be clear about using conditional sentences. Using conditional sentences correctly can help you score band 7 in IELTS speaking and writing. Let's see how. There are 3 types of conditional sentences. Type 1, for real possibility, used for real and possible future events. Structure, if, simple present, will plus base verb. For example, if you practice, you will improve. If schools implement digital learning tools, students will become more engaged and independent in their studies. Type 2, for hypothetical situations. These are used for unlikely scenarios. Can also be used for suggestions. Structure, if, simple past, would plus base verb. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly. If policymakers took this issue seriously, we would see lasting improvements in youth well-being. Type 3, for past situations. These are used when you are criticizing or evaluating past decisions or policies. Structure, if past perfect, comma, would have past participle. For example, if I had studied well, I would have scored higher bands. If authorities had taken timely precautions, thousands of lives could have been saved or would have been saved. Now a quick fix tip. Do you want to sound more advanced? Use type 3 conditionals in your IELTS writing task too. Now fix this sentence. If I studied more, I passed the exam. Write your answers in the comments. That's it. 6 quick grammar fixes to boost your IELTS score in writing as well as speaking. Tell me which one did you like the most. If you want more tips and personalized coaching, then download All About IELTS app. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next lesson.